Wow, look at that full moon. We are ready to rock and roll. This is drop one. The mission today on the full moon is to get our mate Tony onto an absolute belter. This is a rematch. He got busted off a few weeks ago. Oh! Oh! Oh, look at the head shakes.
Come on.
He's got a big boy on here. This is out of control. Oh, no.
No.
Oh!
We still haven't shook since now.
We've got that footage, but we haven't posted it yet. But
You want to bust off one?
yeah, eventually. I just keep catching too many fish. Right, we're in the water.
That's the first inquiry.
Okay. Current movement is next to nothing. No seagulls yet at all. Not one.
Weed either.
No weed. Yes. This is the time. This is the hour of power now, not later. Mate, happy Australia Day. Look at the sky.
Look at this joint, man.
We're getting some interest now, so we're hopeful. The sky's like an oil painting. Swell didn't turn up, although you could see how a boat could get caught out if he's in a tinny and a big swell does come through. But general rule, mate, you'll be able to get through this in anything. Just be patient. Oh! Biggest bite of the day right there. Nah. You'd be very hopeful. This is still going to be a hookup.
He had that in his mouth, man.
Oh, yes! Come on, no, reel in, try and hook him.
Nah, he's not on.
Oh, you missed the bite. When they go like that, you've got to try and yank up. I found. That's it, you're just keeping it right in the zone. Don't worry, they're ahead of us still. They're ahead of us still. That won't be the last bite. Cheers to Australia Day. Cheers to Australia with the Great Northerns. Don't worry about it. Okay, that'll do it. Yep, that's plenty. Still not getting any bites on mine. Wow. Right, I'm onto backup rig now then, that means.
I do have one in there. From Preston.
Is it good to go? Has it got the tie on? Oh! Yes, yes, yes! Oh my gosh! Alright, take your time. Tighten your line, tighten your line.
Oh no!
Tighten your line, sir, Tony.
Oh yeah.
You gotta keep your line tight. That's it. Right. You're getting line back, yep. Keep your drag the way it is for now. Because if he needs to go, he'll go. This is the late one. You just do what feels right. Has he pulled you into something? Tighten your drag a tiny bit. I don't want you to bust off though. Yeah, you should be able to pull him over the top of this now. That's it. Oh, we've got something decent here. This could be a 60 odd. This could be a PB. What's your PB again?
64, was it, or 3, mate?
63. Right, I think you're right. 63. That might have been the Hamlin Bay day one.
Correct. my recollection, but it was
Yeah.
a shady trip.
Could have been day 3. Mate, they're all shady trips. That's why we love them.
Oh, yes!
Come on.
Get in here.
Just keep it tight like that. I swear you're the king of the loose drags, eh?
Oh.
We would have got a nice zing on that too.
Yeah.
And did you
Well,
strike that? I think you
yeah,
did.
I did, but then I let the drag the other way.
Yeah. So he nearly unhooked himself.
Yeah.
Well, that's what you can give up. They'll
The
come.
oil, mate. It was the oil.
Yeah. The oil change. Enjoy. Just keep doing exactly what you're doing and don't change.
Bicep is soaking in.
Yeah. I love it when people complain that their arms are hurting. I think it's great. I reckon we're in the 60s here. It's a pinky. Oh yes! Yes! Oh! Oh! PB time! Oh, we've got it!
Well done, bro.
Right at the end! Oh!
You are the man!
Oh! I can't believe it!
You knew it. You knew it, man.
Oh! Hold it up the other way with this, yeah, and we'll walk over to that camera. Woo! PB time!
Yeah, baby.
Ah, we've done it, mate.
Nah, you did it. And you did it.
Ah.
That's
And I got bitten off onto something
Something
ridiculous. 200 pound mono.
SeaWorld, man.
That's what I'm talking about. There's mackies out there, I reckon, eh? Or barracudas or something. We've caught so many pinkies on the channel. It's now time to change the species, and I'm confident there's other species here. We just saw it where I got bitten in half by unknown. Maybe it was just a real big shark, but 200 pound.
Straight like that. That's
To be able
with no tug.
to hook that up and bring that in, hell yeah, and then get a pinky last drop. Last drop. No rod holder, but when it hit the rod holder,
Yeah.
it's probably a late start. They're probably bubbling up out there still.
I reckon it'd be pretty cool to get Ollie one.
Yeah, I know. Well, we may have to tee that up while they're still here, because
Yeah.
they're not here forever. Another ripper. Can't believe it. Oh! Yes, yes, yes! Oh my gosh!